Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use mopping on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. If you would like to mop, you can first make sure that the mop pads are installed on your robot, from the bottom of your robot, and that the water tank is installed. There are videos on the channel on the mopping pads and the water tank, so feel free to check them out. Later on, you can click on the button in the bottom left corner and make sure it's set to mop or vacuum and mop. I do prefer the vacuum and mop mode. Then you can select suction power, the water flow, the cleaning count, and the route. Later on, you can just start, and it would start cleaning, and the mop pads that are on the bottom would start spinning to ensure that it cleans the floor well. During cleaning, the robot may return to the station in order to wash the mops to ensure that the mops are clean. So for that, you can adjust how frequently it'll go there by clicking on settings, going to dock settings, going to mop wash frequency, and set it to either by room. So after each room finished, it will return to the dock to do it, or by time. So after a certain time elapses, it will automatically go to the station to wash the mop. After the mop is washed, after final washing, which happens after the whole task is finished, it will also start drying the mop. And well, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.